Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. I'm here in London and we got a beautiful day. We got blue sky and no rain, and over there you see the top of the Tower of London. But today I'm here with a brand new OnePlus 6 device, and next to it lies the brand new Honor 10. And if you see this video, then the OnePlus 6 was announced and today I got a chance to do an unboxing with the device. The box is as always colored in white and red, and you see the 6 on it. If you flip it over, you can already the OnePlus 9, but this will take a couple of years. On the side you read the speed you need. It's powered by a Snapdragon 845 and 6 GB of RAM, and on the side you see OnePlus 6. This is a 128 GB mirror black version, which is the version every journalist or every media press outlet gets. So there you see it. We got again the red plastic box, and we get the 6.28 inch screen. Yes, AMOLED, it's still on board. It's 19:9 aspect ratio, and we get a resolution of 2280 by 1080, so full HD plus. Then under here you get the red plastic thingy. We get dash charger, dash cable, and the dash charger is of course a normal USB-A, and the cable is USB-A to USB Type-C. Power output is 4 volt 5 ampere, so we got a 20 watt charger. And keep in mind, this dash charging, the quick charging of OnePlus, only works if you got the original or if you got cable and charger that supports it. In here we get a nice surprise. Again, we get this case where you can put in the OnePlus 6 as well. We already know this from the OnePlus 5T. And I have to say, yes, it's nice. Even if you get a device with a black, with a glass backside, yes, but the look and feel of this case is not that nice. If you ask me, I would have preferred free headphones with the OnePlus 6. In here you get the SIM card tool. We get the starter guide where you can see and read where to put in your nano SIM cards. Yes, 2 nano SIM cards, no micro SD card slot, so choose wisely which memory storage version you get. And both SIM cards are now, SIM card slots are powering now LTE at the same time, so we got dual LTE. And under here, of course, we still got stickers with the OnePlus device, so OnePlus never settle. And even this year, this is a nice step, this is a nice evolution, no revolution of course, of the new OnePlus 6. If we go over the device, the mute switch has moved from the left side of the device to the right side of the device. We got the volume on-off button on the right side, we got the volume bar on the left side, and I can operate each of them with ease with just one hand. And this is another reason why I still can't understand why OnePlus did not put any software features into their UI that you can operate the upper part of the screen with your thumb. So we still got speakers on downside, we still got a headphone jack, microphone USB Type-C, which supports USB 2.0 only. On top we get another microphone, and on the back side we get the fingerprint sensor and of course the dual camera, which is standing out. We got the main 60 megapixel camera with an aperture of 1.7, and for the first time we got an OIS, an optical image stabilization on a OnePlus device, and the other camera is a 20 megapixel camera. On the front side we see now a notch as always, or not as always, but this is a new trend, and fingerprint sensor is now a little bit oval on the back side of the device. So we got the prices. Starting price is 520 for the 64 GB version, 50 euros more for the 128 GB version, and for another 20 bucks more you get the 226 GB, which won't come in every color. So we got mirror black, we got a matte black, and we got this pearl white. And in the next couple of weeks I'm really looking forward to compare both devices, the Honor 10 and the OnePlus 6, and trying to figure out and find out if the 120 euros more for the OnePlus 6 are well spent. And I have to say, just from my stomach, it's just a feeling, and I have to say, yes, I think the OnePlus 6 is still a really nice bargain and a really nice device, but I have to check this out in the next couple of weeks. This is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Bye!